Alright, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make the hibiscus herbal tea rinse for my hair. And I'm also going to be doing a quick little review on the T.G.I.N Honey Miracle Hair Mask. So here I'm just showing you guys the hibiscus leaves that I use. And I just got some off of Amazon. I'll link everything in the description of what I use. And I'm just using a little bit of it because a little does go a long way. This was the first brew. You can see I'm going in. I like to double brew mine just to get like as much of the just to get as much as I can. So I also have these kind of like hair bottle applicators that I'll show you guys that I'll be putting it in, and I'll also link those down below. It came 3 in a pack and it is a lot easier to apply to my hair. So I'm pretty much just showing you guys how I make it. It is very simple. I showed you guys me applying this in the last video, but I thought I should come here and show you guys how to make it, just so that you guys can see that this is very easy and very simple. It's really nothing to it. So I got about 8 ounces. My little applicator bottles here hold about 6. It shows 5 on the bottle, but it actually holds 6. And then I put the last 2 of the ounces in my purple one. So I'm just gonna hop into the shower, and I'm pretty much just gonna show you guys how I apply this. So whenever I apply this, I like to not only focus it in my scalp area, but I also like to run it down these strands just to make sure that it is getting fully covered with this hibiscus tea rinse. And I will link down the YouTuber that I found this from. So she does hers a little bit different as far as like what she mixes, but I just wanted to do like a regular hibiscus tea rinse. I think she also does green tea. I'll still include her down below just in case you guys want to take a look at how she does hers. So she usually applies it before she puts her deep conditioner on, so I'm pretty much just following that. I just showed you guys the hair mask that I'm using, and I wanted to test this out. This is actually my sister's, and so before buying my own, I wanted to try it out. And I'll let you guys know now that compared to some of my other deep conditioners, this one wasn't really my favorite, and it turned out to be okay. Like once I like put my hair in a bag and let it sit for 30 minutes, but I also feel like the other factors like my herbal hair growth oil that you guys will see me apply later also helped with the softness. Now the smell of this, I absolutely love it. I loved how the fragrance was. If you don't like fragrance in your products, then I wouldn't suggest getting it because it does have a fragrance. But I even had to go in with my Tangle teaser to make sure that the product was really worked in, just because it did not provide the slip that I'm used to whenever I use deep conditioners. So you guys can see here, I'm just applying this to my scalp area, and then I'm just kind of giving it a quick little massage in just to make sure it is really penetrating every hair follicle. And that's pretty much it. I just put it on under the deep conditioner, and then I apply the deep conditioner on top. So a little bit more about the hair mask. Like I said, overall it wasn't bad, but I'm used to being able to just kind of go in and finger detangle my hair whenever I use a mask. Some of the masks that are deep conditioners that I like to use, I really like some of the ones from Textured ID, and I also love the African Pride deep conditioners as well. So that's pretty much what I'm kind of used to using. I will link everything down in the description just in case you guys are interested in checking any of these out. But just for me personally, I didn't think that this was just like, it didn't blow me away, so I definitely won't be purchasing any on my own. But my sister, she has high porosity hair. I have low porosity hair, and she actually really likes this. She also likes some of the T.G.I.N products, like I think they have a hair mask that's high in protein. So I like protein in my products, but I don't like a protein overload. So I don't know if it has anything to do with like the porosity, the hair type, but it was not my favorite. But I think overall it still got the job done. Like once I washed everything out, my hair was still extremely soft. So there I was just showing you guys that I told you guys in my previous video that I did clip my ends, and honestly I feel like I already see a tremendous amount of growth, and it's only been 2 weeks. I had my hair in some mini twists. I feel like my hair is just a lot thicker, a lot healthier, and it just looks a lot better. So I feel like every time I wash my hair, I'm really happy with the progress of my hair on my journey to kind of growing it back. And I feel like it won't be long before you guys before I come with like a very noticeable difference. So I'm glad that I am documenting this journey with you guys. I hope that I'm helping you guys grow your hair out or grow it back if you guys are in the same spot that I'm in. A tip that I also wanted to share is that I've also been just kind of getting my nails done regular. I don't add any charms or anything like that because I feel like that was also kind of pulling on my hair a little bit. So I've just kind of been keeping them simple, kind of keeping them low. But that's really about it. And I'm just going in adding the last of that hibiscus tea rinse, and I'm pretty much just soaking my entire head with that. And then I'm just going to put my herbal oil on there like I told you guys. Right now I'm just kind of pipetting it in, but after that I'm gonna like start pouring it into my hands and applying it all over my hair, which I think actually helped with the deep conditioner. Like I said, I feel like that's why I was a lot softer. So that's pretty much all I did. I just put the bag on and then I allowed it to sit for 30 minutes and then I came back and I washed it out. So these last few clips are simply just going to be me washing out that deep conditioner. I'm washing out thoroughly to make sure that that tea rinse as well as the hair mask gets washed out. I don't want anything left over. And that's pretty much it. I'm just very happy with the overall direction that my hair is going. It looks so nice and full and so healthy. And also, I'm also going to try to include a clip just to show you guys the protective style that I'm going in for the next 2 weeks. Just so you guys can see that. I didn't film it. I did use my hair butter and I also used my my moisturizing oil that I make on my own. I also wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be documenting me starting my own hair business, so be on the lookout for that. I'm getting ready to start making my first couple of batches for my friends to test out, so if you guys are interested in that, then definitely stick around for that video. But that's pretty much it. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll know every time I post new content. And also I'm going to include a clip at the end to show you guys how much shed hair I had for this wash day. So until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, so really quickly, I'm just coming on here to show you guys how I styled my hair, just in case you guys wanted to see that. And I also told you that I was going to go in with my herbal hair growth oil and go down and pretty much just oil my scalp, and then that'll pretty much be it. And I'll wear it like this for 2 weeks unless it holds up, but most likely I'll take it down because I've been wanting to try some different stuff with my hair as far as braiding, curls, and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go in. You guys have seen this, seen me use this quite a bit on my channel now. As you guys know, I am working on my products. So just gonna lightly oil these. And I did last night film me actually making my products. I know I showed you guys a different video of me making my hair butter, but I actually have my real formulas now. So I just filmed a video of me making all of that for my friends that are going to be testing it out for me, and that's including this herbal hair growth oil, my moisturizing oil that I like to use with my hair butter. And I'm just gonna lightly rub this in. So if you guys want to see that, I thought that it would be very interesting, and I think fun too for me to document that, so that way you guys will get to see my entire journey from the beginning, starting my hair care line. So that's pretty much it. And I know you guys can't see it all, so I have like curly pieces at the end. So that's how I style my hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing my beginning processes, like I said, I already have my formulas and everything. I'm pretty much just going to be showing you guys the process of me making everything, and then I'm getting ready to actually film me kind of packing everything up for them. And so if you guys are interested in that, then go ahead and check that video out.